we're doing some painting this morning, and we're doing painting in maths. We're going to be doing some year 2 activities looking at repeated addition and multiplication, and then we're going to be doing some finger painting with Gabriel, looking just at addition as well. And especially for early years, we're going to look at how number sentences are laid out, so that'll really help him with that. But for Noah, we're going to look at multiplication and repeated addition. So let's have a look what you're doing, Noah. So we've got here, just sit back a little bit, Noah. We've got 2 number sentences. We've got some paint, and we're using cotton buds today. You don't have to use cotton buds, you could use fingers or you could use paintbrushes, but I think these are quite a quick way to get children to do the representation. Why does he have a pot of paint? No. Oh, a lot of those, just in case they get messy. I've got some spares, and they're quite quick to clear away as well. So Noah, what have we got here? What number?
2 add 2 add 2 add 2.
Good. How many times altogether are we adding 2? 4 times. So what I would like you to do, underneath each 2 is put 2 dots. You might have to put the cotton bud in a bit further in the paint. That's it. Bring it out. Good boy. So under each 2.
1, 2.
No, hang on. What did I just say?
2.
And what have you done? 3. So remember what I've said about listening and good listening, okay? Good boy, okay? So I'll just take your cotton bud for a moment. So I want you to write the answer to that number sentence. 2 add 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So use your pen. We'll have a look at yours in a minute, Gabriel. So we've got 8. Good boy, right? I'm good. Hang on, no, wait a minute. So I want you to take your cotton bud again, and I want you to listen because you're jumping ahead, aren't you? Right, so this time we've got 2. What's that? Times 4. 2 times 4. So we're going to do 2 how many times? 4 times. So there's 1 lot, 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots. Now, are you listening to me?
No.
Why? We will have to do that one again because we're not doing good listening. How many lots have you just done?
1, 2, 3.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lots should you do?
4.
Look at me. That's twice now we've not had very good listening, isn't it? Yeah, so let's get some more paint on and we'll do it over here. So get some more paint. Quickly. And we'll do it over here. So not fast this time because you weren't concentrating. So that's 1 lot. No, we've done 1 lot of 2. Now we're on our second lot of 2. So now we've done 2 lots of 2. And do it over that one that you just splodged by accident. Take it, please. And again. How many lots of 2 have you got now? 4 lots of 2, haven't you? What does that equal altogether?
1.
No, we're counting up. So how many have we got here?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So what's our answer?
8.
8. What can we see? Come on, Noah, quickly. What can we see is the same about our 2 number sentences?
They're both equal 8.
They're both equal 8. How many times do we add 2 in this number sentence?
2 times.
Just 2? How many times do we add 2 in this number sentence?
8.
No, listen to what I'm saying. How many times do we add 2? How many times do we add 2? Count. 1,
2, 3, 4.
How many times did we add 2?
4
4 times. And that's why we've got 2.
times 4.
Right, let's do another. And this time, we're going to do some careful counting, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah? So this time, what have we got?
5 add 5 add 5.
5, add 5, add 5. How many times, Noah, are we adding 5?
3.
3 times. So get your cotton bud. So how many dots are you going to do under this number? Noah,
5.
come on then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good boy. Under this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Super. Right. How many 5s have we got all together? How much does that equal? We could count in 5s for this one, couldn't we? 5,
10, 15.
15. So what's our answer? 15. Good boy. So this one, what are we going to do in this one?
So we're going to do 5 lots of 3.
Okay, oh, so hang on. So we've got 5, and how many times are we going to do 5?
3.
3 times. So get your cotton bud, put some more paint on it. Okay, so off we go. So remember, we're doing 3 lots of 5, aren't we? 2.
3, 4. How done? In that 2. In that 4. 5.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good boy. Do you want to give me the cotton bud? So, how many 5s do we have there?
3 lots.
We've got 3 lots of them, haven't we? Shall we count in 5s to find the answer?
15.
It's 15, isn't it? Good boy. So, Noah,
Yeah.
what's the same about this one and this one?
They're both equal 15.
They're both equal 15. How many times did we add 5 in this one?
3.
3. And that is why we have 5 times 3 in this one. We're going to have a look at one more. You're not going to use your paint this time. And then we'll have a look at what your brother's doing. So this time, I've drawn you the dots. Okay? So let's have a count. How many dots have we got there?
1, 2, 3.
So we've got 3, haven't we? How many times are we adding 3? So we're doing 3, add,
3.
add,
3.
add.
3.
How many times did we add 3 then?
4.
4. So let's write down 3, add 3, add 3. Good boy. And what does that equal? So let's have a look here. We know how many's in this column, don't we?
12.
12. Good boy. Now then, let's put a 3 at the start again here underneath, because we know there's 3 in each column, don't we? But this time we're not going to do an add. What are we going to do instead? A time. So let's put our multiplication symbol down. Good. Good. Well done. Because we've done it 4 times, haven't we? So what's our answer going to be?
So, why are you? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It's 12, isn't it?
Why?
So then we've got one more to have a go at. So how many in each column?
3.
No, we've got 3 columns, but how many in each?
2.
2. So let's write that down as an add. So what does that equal? We could count in 2s for this, couldn't we? So
2, 4, 6.
6. What would be our multiplication number sentence? What's that number? Looks a bit,
3.
you make it look a bit more like a 3. That's better. And what's that going to equal? Shall we count in 2s again?
2. I think it's going to be 6.
It's going to be 6 because it's the same, isn't it? Good boy. Right, Gabriel, shall we have a look at yours now?
Yeah.
So Gabriel, on yours, we have got some... No, hang on. I know you want to do your finger painting. We've got some number sentences, haven't we, on here? And we're going to... Can you tell me this number? 4. Add.
3.
So we're going to do 4, add 3. So underneath this 4, can you, with your finger, do 4 dots?
Yeah. Right down.
So you could do this with cotton buds as well. But Gabriel quite likes doing finger painting. I've always got some wipes handy as well when we do finger painting, just for quick clearing up.
2, 3, 4.
Good boy. Have you done your 4 dots? Excellent. How many dots are we going to have on this side, Gabriel?
3.
3. So we're going to put them under the number 3. So we're making sure that we can see where these
3.
go.
And
Good
then
boy.
they're big. And then they're big.
They are very big dots, aren't they? So, how many dots have we got all together? Can we count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So how many are we going to put here?
7.
7. Can you put them in a line like this? Yeah, that's right, Hannah. Of course, commutativity, that is something that I've already looked at with Noah. But you're absolutely right. Children can get a bit confused with it going the wrong way around. But that is something he is quite used to. But thank you for pointing that out.
7.
Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good boy. Let's have a look at this one. So get yourself some more paint.
Was that a lot?
Yeah, go on then. How many dots under this one?
6.
6. Go on then.
1, 2,
Good.
3,
Good.
4,
Good.
5,
Good.
6.
6. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's get some more paint. Let's try not to do them so close together, Gabriel, because they're going to be a bit hard to count, aren't they? So how many are we going to do in this one?
6.
6.
Why do I need to do
6 again. Come on then, let's do 6.
A big squash.
Big squash. Keep going.
Big squash.
Keep counting when you're doing them, otherwise you'll lose count. So 1, 2. Keep going. 3. Not so close together. How many is that now? That's why we've got to keep counting. Right, count again.
6.
5.
6.
6. Oh, we're running out of paint a bit, aren't we? Right, let's count how many we've got all together, Gabriel. So, 1.
1, 2.
No. Counting properly. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Let's keep counting. 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So how many are we going to do on this side? How many dots? How many did we just say?
6.
We did 6 add 6, and what did that give us?
6.
No, it gave us 12, didn't it? So can we get some more paint on our finger? And can we do 12 dots and do careful counting this time? So, come on, put your fingers back. Put those fingers back, that's right. So, 1, 2, keep going. You've done 3, so now 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12. There we go. Super duper. So those are our activities for today. Tomorrow we'll also be looking at arrears, so we can cover that commutativity as well, where we're looking at exactly what each row and column represents so that the array is in the correct way around. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow. You can find lots more activities. Hang on. You can find lots more activities over on our timetable at classroomsecrets.co.uk, where you'll find lots more practical ideas and resources. Bye-bye!
Bye!